With all the carpet cleaners near you, who do you choose to clean your carpets? If you've considered getting your carpets cleaned, you may have asked yourself, which is the best carpet cleaner? You may have found that you're faced with a wide range of companies, equipment, cleaning materials and prices to choose from. Some companies are national franchises, some are smaller local business, and some are single operators or one-man bands. Which is best? Does it matter? Some have many thousands of pounds, huge pieces of equipment in their vans. Others have smaller plug-in ones. Does it matter? When considering the cleaning materials, the options range from cheap, harsh chemicals to super high quality, fast drying but more expensive products. Which is right for you? There are so many options and choices, some people just give up and take a gamble. This video is written to help you avoid the confusion and make a choice that's right for you. That choice might not be ACS, and that's okay. We're not right for everyone, and I'll explain why in a moment. But first I want to explain why there are so many choices in carpet cleaning. I think of it that carpet cleaning is like bread. What do I mean by this? Well, if you go into a supermarket, you'll find a whole aisle devoted to bread. There may be literally 100 choices. White bread, 50-50, brown bread, granary, thin, thick, medium sliced, gluten-free, batch loaves, cobblers, farmhouse, French sticks, battens, rolls, paninis, flatbreads, pita breads, wraps, naan bread, chapati. But it's all bread. It's just the same with carpet cleaning. It's all carpet cleaning, but there are many different choices. Despite what some carpet cleaners may tell you, there is no one choice that's best. Just like with bread, there is no one choice that will be best for you. You may prefer seeded bread, you may prefer granary, or if you're gluten intolerant, you would never eat regular bread. So you choose a gluten-free bread. Well, it's like that with carpet cleaning. There's steam cleaning, although it's usually not steam but just hot water and sometimes cold. There's low moisture, fast dry carpet cleaning, and there's dry cleaning. There's WoolSafe approved cleaning products and methods, and there are products made from man-made fibres too. There are highly trained carpet cleaning technicians, and some with a basic understanding, and some who know almost nothing. The most important thing from you, the consumer's point of view, is what are you trying to achieve? Then find the appropriate person for you. Are you the homeowner looking to maintain the beautiful appearance of your expensive wool carpets? Well, if so, you should find a company that understands the correct cleaning process for wool. They should use WoolSafe approved products and understand the process of drying and aftercare. Certainly, you shouldn't use anyone that has a super powerful machine on a delicate wool carpet. If you're a tenant moving out of a rental home, maybe some of the lower powered machines or even a rental might suit you better. If you've got stains, you'd need someone that understands the different products and methods that you need to remove stains from a carpet. And if you have anyone in the family with allergies or sensitivities, you certainly shouldn't use ordinary cleaning products. They should be the right kind. You should use an allergy specialist who uses British Allergy Foundation approved products and methods to clean your carpets. If your carpets are made from sisal or seagrass, dry cleaning is pretty much the only option. Choices, choices, choices. Perhaps the first thing to do is to look at your carpets. Are they wool? Is there staining? Is there an odour issue? Because odour isn't the same as carpet cleaning. Would you like them dry right away, or are you happy to wait 4 or 5 days for drying? Do you want the best possible job, or do you just want the cheapest job? Do you need your furniture moved, or is the room empty, or can you move it yourself? These are good starting questions because it will clarify in your mind the kind of carpet cleaning that you'll need. If you're on a very tight budget and price is the only consideration, then we're not right for you. We use very high quality products that are safe and do a fantastic job and dry quickly, but they cost more. We may not be the most expensive carpet cleaner, but we certainly won't be the cheapest. It's just not possible with the high grade products that we use. So you might consider using a cheap soak it and run carpet cleaner, but then you might even be better off just hiring a machine and do it yourself. So if you have extremely compacted and greasy soiling or very large areas of very heavy staining, you should choose a firm with the equipment to handle this. That may not be us. We can handle jobs like that, but we're best at providing long-term care for looking after carpets rather than trying to resurrect something. If you're looking for a carpet cleaner who understands different types of carpets and how to clean them, you're in the right place. We probably will be a good fit for you, and perhaps we should talk. If you're a tenant looking to get your deposit back at the end of your tenancy, you'd be wise to contact me because we can give you a great clean that will fulfill the terms of your agreement. If you have a business and need your carpets cleaned safely and effectively with minimal disruption, we might be a good fit too. Whoever you use to clean your carpets, meet them first. Discuss your needs in detail and get a quote that is in writing. Check out their reviews and case studies and pictures of their work. Talk to them at length and get a gut feeling of whether they're the right people for you. I hope this video helps you find the bread that you're looking for.